guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shix Mwangi. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are a new subscriber, welcome back and have a seat. Today I want to show you how I do my full makeup, but already I have straightened my and today I want to show you on camera the struggles I do have when applying the eyelash. Let me do my eyebrows. I am back. I had already done my eyebrows. See, if you have not yet watched my other video of me doing my makeup as a beginner, go back and watch. So next I want us to do the eyeshadow together. I don't know whether to start with the eyelashes.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god. I don't know whether to start with this one because let me try this. Let me do the shadow. Guys, remember this makeup is for it's just simple. If you can see the palette I've been using, this one for 200 shillings. So you can do your makeup with anything.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
See this kind? You want to cut it? Like that? Even on this side.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
See how my baby hairs I have very thin. So oh my god. Guys, hey, let me first. I think you got one here. Let me find the needle. I press here so that I can have a hole in it. I am back. Already in the shot of one. Akina msichekere.
Si no le ayuda a la fábrica, el camión le da.
I know the struggles are this. And I just see what they are busy. So let's start with our lights because on my right I don't know. The left wing and confused sana. So ikinishika nitanunua kwa carton. Then tufanye video nyingine nikiweka na kenyewe. The struggles here. It's my first time, so I know even you are a first time back. So let's run together. Guys, let me do it. Kwanza, hebu jana hizi tunakaa tu in 3, 2, 1.
Jesus is Lord.
Kanakaa majimaji tasidhani kama katashika. Guys. Oi. Oi. Haishiki kitu. Na vile ni supu inside yake gani? Guys, 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 tu kama mnaona hapa chini already nishachafua nini the eyeshadow. You see here, Aki, oh my god, look at my hands, the glue guys. Kwani nimeweka glue mingi guys, hata ishiki. Oi, flash glue fast dry. Ama napaswa kugoja. Look at my eyes, the struggles guys. Oi, so I would have to rub all this, then I start again. Tunaendelea mpaka tutoboe guys. Ooh, I think I am done, but bado iko juu guys. Oi, unaona vile imekuwa chafu? You see? Look at my hands. Oh, imagine that one. Hata bado sijaweka poa. You see? Iko juu.
Jesus is Lord.
Guys, I decided to put the glue and keep them aside to dry just a bit ndio tusistruggle kuweka. Unaona nimepanguza hii. So I want to start afresh so that nisipitie hizo challenges nimepitia kuharibu, mara anaekelea huku juu. Mtu anaekelea wapi yake? Let me repeat the process again, then tutaiweka. Ndio hii nishaweka glue. So nataka kuiweka aside. Come back tuweke eyelashes zetu. Yo. If you are in this together, give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hapa kitu kameka hivi. Siku hizi hakuna kudislike. Ukidislike sitaona. So it is not that beneficial. So guza tu like. It will support my videos. Let me redo this one, then I'll come back. What guys? I have already done this one. Behind the scene. What? Oh my god. Wow. Already I've decided to change on my shades. I decided to look for the brighter one. Pink, you see? Wow. Let me try the other one on camera. Guys. Let me cross the finger. Let's cross the fingers together. You see? Vile nimesweat. I don't know. I feel like what? You see this side? Huh? Let me try the other side here. Hi, guys. You see, guys, the struggles. Mkiona mtu amelembeka, we juu tu guys. If kama wewe ni first timer, these are the struggles, so be ready when mnapenda makeup. Mimi akisitaiguza tena, you see? I think I would have to look for that. Wanaita aje? The tweezer. Maybe itanisumbua hivi. Alafu pia the glue. Sijui kama ni. Guys, comment down below kama nimeweka poa. Oh my god. So let us finalize. This one, our primer, like that. Guys, if you usually watch my videos from the starting to the end, comment down below. I have gifts to give my viewers, potential viewers, but not ghost viewers. So, woo, you see, imesema that's jinga. Let me distribute it to my friends. Then I'll use the final layer. Hey, final layer. This one. It's the foundation. Okay, side. Guys, the other video sikuonyesha kufanya makeup, so you can also learn like this one. You can do it this way. You mix all your, like you can see, this is my concealer and this one is my foundation. And my foundation is 109, number 109. So you can decide to do like that. On here, huwa siweki yenye itakuwa kwa makeup kit ndio tutapeleka hapa. So let's do it. Let's do it. Hey. Oh my god. Guys, I have finished my foundation and my concealer. So today I'm going to do a full lip makeup. Here I have a palette. I don't know, it costed me 250. So I have the highlighter, contour, and the bronze. So first and foremost, so I am going to highlight my nose like this. Wanasema ni highlight, contour, and bronzer. Like that at the center. Then I'll go in with my contour. Like that. And so I will use this one to blend them together. Then I'll use the contour. Like that. So I want to use the bronze. I want to shine here. So yeah. You see? Then the other side. And then hapa kwa kanus nafanyaga hivi. You see? Then guys, do you remember our nini? Not this one. Our lipsticks. This is Huda Beauty. And this one. Like that. Yes, it's here. It's here. It's here. Black opal. Number 2, light. So let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. Like this. You don't need to go to the school of beauty to start beauty. No, watch my videos. Watch my videos. And you get the hacks. The hacks. All the process for the beginners. Make sure you also go into your neck. Also is kose kufanana na your neck and your ears as well. Guys, how do I look? Comment down below. Comment down below. If you want me to be your makeup artist for the first time, be my first client. Sitakulipisha, it will be free. Hmm. See? Also rate my earrings. Oh, how cute, how cute, how cute. Hmm. Magic, magic, magic. Guys, thank you guys for watching my today's video. Kindly hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be notified. Bye guys, like, share and comment. If this video has made your day, give it a like, a thumbs up, a thumbs up. Bye.